In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a live stream on Telegram. This is a powerful feature that lets you broadcast live video to your channel or group members in real time. Whether you're hosting a Q&A session, making an announcement, or streaming an event, Telegram's live streaming feature makes it simple and accessible. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature works best on the desktop application. Once Telegram Desktop loads, navigate to your channel or group where you want to start the live stream. This could be a public channel, a private channel, or a group that you manage. Click on the channel name or group name at the top of the screen. This will open the channel or group information panel with various options and settings. Look for the option that says Start Live Stream or Start Video Chat. This option allows you to initiate a live broadcast to all members of your channel or group. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your camera. Select the camera you want to use for your live stream. This could be your built-in webcam or an external camera connected to your computer. Make sure your camera is working properly before proceeding. Once you've selected your camera, click Start Streaming. Your live stream will now begin, and all members of your channel or group will be able to watch your broadcast in real time. You can interact with viewers, answer questions, and share content as you stream. And that's it. You've successfully started a live stream on Telegram. It's that simple. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.